Hello guys, it's Joan and I'm the project manager for IdeaPad Pro 5. So today I will be doing a deep dive on the all-new 6-inch IdeaPad Pro 5. If you are new here, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon and get notice of our latest video. Alright, let's get into it. So whether you're a pro, student, or creative, the IdeaPad Pro 5 has all got you covered. It's a powerful and stylish option that can handle all types of work, from photo, video editing, graphic design, coding, and also gaming and other demanding tasks. And the 6-inch sample I will got here runs the high-powered AMD Ryzen 7014HS processor and also the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 1415 graphics. And mix it all together with a massive up to 106 watts of power. And it also supports NVIDIA Dynamic Boost, giving you at least 5 to 10% performance boost for modern games. And with 32 gigs of dual-channel memory running at 6400 MHz, along up to 1 TB SSD support with 2 slots. So you will got the hardware to get things done lightning fast. Okay, for the cooling solution, we will upgrade the thermal module with a brand new 5-3D composite heat pipe, like gaming products offering. Additionally, we will added 138 pure copper fins and upgraded the keyboard air intake to increase the overall airflow by 14.2%. So this new cooling design is way more efficient, allowing us to bump up the TDP package power to a steady up to 106 watts from the previous 85 watts without sacrificing noise levels. We have run the Cinebench R20 30 times in a row, and the new cooling system keeps things steady at up to 60 watts the whole way through. We ran some tests to give you the full scope on its incredible performance and amazing power efficiency. As for the gaming, here are some gaming test results for the 6-inch. To give the IdeaPad Pro 5 a more professional look and feel, we use an ultra-thin and super durable aluminum alloy for the ACD cover. We added a subtle and smooth texture to it and with number 180 sandblasting, while keeping the overall profile nice and thin. It weighs less than 2 kg and it's only 17.5 mm thin, so it's perfect size to take you to school, coffee shops, and meetings. Okay, let's talk about the display. It's got a 2.5K display with 120 Hz refresh rate, which basically means you got super smooth gameplays without any of that noisy gaming smur or motion blur. So if you turn on the adaptive refresh rate, the system will automatically adjust to whatever you are doing. So when you are watching videos, it will match the refresh rate to 60 Hz. But when you are gaming or browsing, it will automatically bump up to 120 Hz for a smoother experience. Plus, it will cover 100% of sRGB color gamut, so we will get really accurate and vibrant colors. Okay, let's have a look up down here. The keys of the IdeaPad Pro 5 are spelled out neatly, and the group functions are laid out really well, making it easy to find what you need. And the keys also have 1.3 mm of travel, so you can type faster and more accurately with less fatigue. I remember back in college when I had to write a big essay that was due the next day. A comfortable keyboard makes all the difference. And the touchpad is really something too. It's 20% larger than the last generation. You have so much more room to swipe your fingers, and it's made of glass of material, which makes a super smooth and convenient user experience. The sound quality on the IdeaPad Pro 5 just got even better. We upgraded the new speakers and paired them with a larger sound chamber and also Dolby Atmos technology. So now you can enjoy even richer and more immersive audio than before. The Fuji camera with top sensor record high quality image with vivid detail. Even your hair can be seen as so clear. And no matter how you position yourself, your face will be at the center of the frames. And the face beauty filter will also enable you to be your best self on the camera. Now with the I/O port, you are getting a very generous port section. We have an HDMI port and also a full function Type-C. And another one, we have a USB 4 for AMD platform. And beside that, we have two USB-A ports, an audio jack, and an SD card reader. Well, bigger screen, greater horsepower, then how about its battery life? We've aimed up our battery tech this year with the latest and greatest energy density. And we even added an extra hard drive slot without sacrificing any battery capacity. We are still packing a 75 Wh battery. You get average 8 hours for the Mobile Mark benchmark test at 1 and 15 nits, and up to 12 hours local video playback. And 15 minutes hit 3 hours rapid charge boost. There is just something about this laptop that keeps me coming back for more. So maybe for its stunning unibody design, or the fact that the display is so freaking amazing. And let's not forget about the sheer power that's always ready to take on whatever I needed to. All in all, it's a pleasure to use these things all in a day. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know what you guys think about IdeaPad Pro 5 6-inch. Catch you guys in the next one!